Alright, so it starts up, it dies, and it needs a few parts. So we have a screw here, here, over here, got one here, one over here, one down there, one down there. So now, this is magic, and you know YouTube, so here we go. Okay, so let's remove those screws. Okay, you gotta love YouTube. Alright. Look at that, it all comes right off. Look at that, like butter. Oh, might this be the problem? Oh, Wow. Look at this. Looks like the stator has been bullying up on the coil and deformed it. Oh, what a fucking bully you are. Oh, looks like a fucking wire is tore up here too. Look at that. Oh, bully. So let's go ahead and remove the coil here and stuff and whatever. It's got a screw here and a screw up there, but you know this is YouTube, so you gotta love YouTube. Magic. So anyway, this coil is fucked. Oh, well, might as well go ahead and order another one. Gotta love YouTube. You don't even have to wait. Just, oh yeah, alcohol, weed, sweet. Oh my God, you gotta love YouTube magic. You know, all you gotta do is. Oh shit! I didn't mean to do all of that. Oh wait, dude, we gotta go back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Reverse magic. Ooh, had me scared there. You know, magic is unpredictable. Oh, don't mess with it, especially with the YouTube magic. Ooh, bad things happen. But anyway, let's go look at see if they match up here. So we take 12 and we say, hey, so you match up the parts. Wow, that's bad. Oof, look at the height on this one. Yeah, maybe that's why it wasn't working. Yeah, well, time for more YouTube magic. Gotta install it. Ready? Okay. Ta-da! YouTube magic. Now, what they don't show you is they use a business card. You slide a business card between here and the other part. So, and that will hold you the correct amount of distance you need to be away from the stator and the coil. Oh, shit! I didn't notice that. What crappy magic is that? This little corner is not dug off there. And I don't think it's a wise idea to grind the coil, so we're gonna have to grind and cut the case. Oh, YouTube magic. Ready? So we came up with a dilemma. Either I cut the case and notch out a spot for the spark plug bar, which is probably the more sensible thing to do. But why don't we just grind the shit off this corner? The nonsensible thing, you know? See the way they got the corner ground off? Well, I don't know what's underneath this, but I guess we'll find out, right? Just grind this corner off and some of this bottom because this bottom is flatter. Well, let's see what happens, right? It's only fucking money. Maybe, let's try. Oh, yeah. Okay, see. Ha 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 ha. I don't know if it's metal or plastic or what. So we ground it down. We ground it down here. I don't know if this is metal here or not, but whatever. But you know, I think maybe put a little bit of, you know, nail polish on there. YouTube magic, you know what I mean? Just a little girl's nail polish. Yeah, I don't think that's going to stop electricity. Wonder if that liquid tape would work. But for now, yeah, let's do some of that. paint its nails. I'm wondering who I'm going to get to start this saw up first. Find out if they're going to get electrocuted or not. Curious. Wonder how bad that's going to hurt. I guess I'll do it. Alright, so everything we're doing is a little unsafe, so let's be a little safer. Let's add some liquid tape. Maybe that might help. Oh, that's right. Bloop, 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 bloop. Well, we've been messing around with YouTube magic so much, we need to let natural magic take its course. Put this in the sun and let the sun do its magic. Yeah. Well, there you go. Let's see if it's a death saw, not a chainsaw. From being fucking electrocuted. But anyhow, let's install it. Oh, YouTube magic, right? That's it. Well, it's in. Alright, so add the color and all that other good stuff, so. Look at that. You gotta love YouTube. Yeah, for the rest of it. That's on the way here. Goes on. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if it starts. Oh, let's see if it runs. Yeah.